Hey Charles, I've been wondering, how is the role of quality managers changing, and what skills will they need to stay relevant in the future?
That's a fantastic question, Anna. The role of quality managers is evolving rapidly, driven by advancements in technology, shifting customer expectations, and the need for businesses to remain competitive. To thrive in the future, quality managers need to broaden their skill sets and adapt to these changes.
Like what? Can you give me some examples?
Absolutely. First, there's data analytics, which is becoming a must-have skill. Quality managers will need to collect and analyze data to make informed decisions, identify patterns, and even predict potential issues. Tools like Excel, Minitab, R, and Python are incredibly valuable for performing advanced analyses.
So it's no longer just about inspections or audits, it's about working with data.
Exactly. And it's not just about analyzing data, but also about applying it to solve problems. That's where Six Sigma training comes into play. The Green Belt and Black Belt certifications are great for mastering structured, data-driven problem-solving methods. These frameworks help quality managers tackle challenges systematically and deliver impactful results.
That makes sense. But what about broader skills like managing people or processes?
You're spot on. Leadership and strategic thinking are just as important. Certified Quality Manager training, for example, focuses on equipping professionals with the skills to lead teams, drive continuous improvement, and align quality objectives with overall business strategies. It's about thinking beyond the technical aspects and contributing at a leadership level.
Wow, it seems like quality managers are expected to think like business leaders.
Exactly. And let's not forget digital literacy. With technologies like AI, IoT, and automation transforming industries, quality managers need to understand how to leverage these tools to improve efficiency and maintain quality standards.
This sounds like the role is becoming a lot more interdisciplinary.
That's absolutely right. Quality managers of the future will need strong collaboration skills, working across teams like IT, marketing, and even sustainability to ensure quality goals align with broader organizational objectives. Understanding and meeting customer expectations will also be a key part of their role.
It sounds like a challenging but exciting future. Where should someone start if they want to prepare for these changes?
A good starting point would be to explore courses that focus on these evolving needs. For example, Six Sigma Green Belt and Black Belt training are excellent for developing problem-solving skills. Certified Quality Manager training is perfect for those looking to build leadership and strategic capabilities. And if data analytics is your focus, there are comprehensive courses available on tools like Excel, Minitab, R, and Python. These are all offered by quality gurus and are tailored for professionals aiming to thrive in this changing landscape.
That's perfect. Thanks, Charles. This really gives me a clear idea of how the role of quality managers is transforming and what skills are needed.
You're welcome, Anna. The future is full of opportunities for those who are ready to learn, adapt, and lead. Quality managers who invest in these skills will not only stay relevant, but also drive significant value for their organizations.